the Alphacool Eisstation. This particular model is for the DCLT pumps, and in the unfortunate event that you have to disassemble and clean this, this is the proper procedure. What you're going to need to do is remove the 4 screws that are holding on the bottom plate here, and then remove the pump, and then remove the plastic from the reservoir to clean everything out. So, begin by removing the 4 screws on the bottom that holds the bottom plate. After you've removed the plate, then you will need to go ahead and remove the pump. Now that the pump has been removed, you'll need to remove the 4 screws that hold in the top part of the reservoir. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After all 4 screws have been removed, the top should separate from the bottom, and you will see that there is a O-ring on the inside that runs along the inside of the channel here, and then the top part of the reservoir separates from the bottom part where the pump mounts. And you are able to clean the inside here and where the pump actually resides and water flows. If you would like, you can also remove the bottom LED plugs here, which can be removed simply with a quarter or a large flathead screwdriver. A nickel will work as well. Now everything has been completely disassembled, and you can clean each part individually. Once you've cleaned everything, reassembly is a cinch. Simply take your O-ring, place it around the edge of the inside channel where the top part of the reservoir will sit. Then take your top part of the reservoir and push down to the bottom. Holding both the top and the bottom, flip it over. Then, using the 4 screws that you removed previously, reinstall the 4 screws into the corners. You'll want to tighten them a little each at a time. Once the 4 corner screws have been tightened down to secure the top part of the reservoir to the bottom, then you can reinstall the pump. Once you have the pump reinstalled, be sure to put back the LED plugs. Route your wiring and reinstall the back cover. And then you're ready for use.